Yeah. You're under arrest. Your cell phone? No, I don't want to give it to you. Why do I have to?
Because my attorney said not to.
Why do I have to give it to you? This is evidence. Evidence. She's under arrest. I have to go with. I have to go. I have to go.
Let me help you out.
No, I have to stay. Please don't do this. Don't stay. You need to grab the bags. Take the bags. Yeah. And you need to wait outside. Okay.
My husband's almost 80 years old. He can't
Yeah,
come
I
with
can't.
me?
Please, can I go?
No, you can't join me there.
Oh, don't do this, please.
Please.
Oh,
Someone's
God.
got to help him get home. This is terrible. You can't do this. This is insane.
Is that okay with you?
Please. You don't have that with handcuffs on. She's not going anywhere. Please. Please.
Do you have anything in your pocket?
No, no. No.
Do you have anything of value in you?
No,
Plus you have a necklace on. You
Wanna
can
go?
take the
My-
necklace
I'll take it.
Yeah, take it off. Yeah.
and the earrings.
And the earrings, the rings, take everything. You give it to your husband. Because once you arrive at County Jail, they're gonna make you remove all that.
Can I call my attorney?
You have a passport ready?
Where am I going?
Just open your finger.
Where am I going?
You're going to the Dade County Jail.
They County Jail.
Broward County, right?
No, this is right here. The one on top.
They're coming in minutes. No problem. You can have. No problem.
I'm sorry, remove your earrings? How it happened?
1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go back. Yeah, we'll go back out and just.
You're making a mistake.
Okay.
It's another mistake. It's two
Do me a favor
mistakes.
and try to take the ring off. See if you can get this off for me.
Can you take it off, please, Donna? I don't
I don't
want
want to hurt her. That's why I
Please.
take it off.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Please.
It's getting there. Hold on, honey. Listen to me.
Yeah. I'll call.
Get in an Uber, go home.
I will.
Take
I
it
will.
easy.
I will.
All right?
Yes.
Here, hon.
If there's anything else in her person that she wants to.
Oh, it's coming, sweetheart. I got it's coming. Just a second.
Do you have her driver's license by any chance?
I'm sorry?
Her driver's
It's in my
Yeah.
it's in my purse.
Yeah.
How it is.
Yeah, then you could give her.
Sure. Do
It's
you need her
almost there.
passport? Or can I give it to the husband? The passport can I give it to
What's up?
Where is it?
It's in the blue and white. It's in the blue and white.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get the driver's license first. Yeah.
And the license, the address on your license is correct?
Yes.
She needs all her.
When she goes to the jail, they work in conjunction with the hospital.
They're all in here though.
Yes, but they work. If I take them here, what will happen is when you go there, they possibly toss them out. So when you go to there, you will meet the nurse and the doctor, and then they'll work in conjunction with the hospital to get you whatever you need.
Yeah, but I don't have a list with me. I know what's.
Driver's license?
Yes.
I have a.
Is it multiple or is just one or two?
It's no. There's a bag of medication in here. Is that what you're asking me?
She can take medication.
No, I know. I was just trying to find out if it was like one or two. Yeah, if it was one or two, then she maybe could take the name down.
Do you need anything else from her?
Can I ask
So
you
we're good to
something?
go?
Can someone just get my husband outside and
So I'll be. I'll get him.
The gentleman here will assist him in any way possible.
I'll be okay.
I have
Wait.
the ring. Hold on.
Let me have the ring, please. Please.
Listen to me.
Yeah. No, I'll take it.
This is crazy.
I love you.
Okay.
All right. So I don't have the meds, honey. They're all in here.
Give me 1 moment, please. Hold the body. 1 moment.
Thank you.
Airport, 3050 air clear.
All units, please adjourn.
Go out or?
You have your case number, Vicky?
No.
Okay. All right.
I have an issue with the new system.
Yeah. I'm going to 06 from now, from here, and then I'll get the case number for the video. You want to use the other?
No, that won't work. Oh. The other one on the other side. I'll hold it.
No rush, take your time.